drawing.
I'm Quentin Gould, Superintendent for Juneau Construction Company on the Atlanta Society project. Welcome on the site visit. The VDC department is doing a lot within BIM modeling and coordination. And then we've been implementing quality control measures, doing 3D scans, as well as doing the drone flights to make sure what we're putting in the slab will work when it's time to start roughing in the physical materials. Great thing's actually been the drones, being able to pop it up and do that flight, and how quick you can turn around and actually tell you pretty rapidly, you know, is my edge of slab out, is my embeds right? It may not be exact, but if it's a drastic enough out that could be a problem, it can tell you pretty quick. Still pudding tape measured almost everything, but sometimes it gets down to the wire, and it's nice to have that extra level of comfort there. This is the tallest structure I've ever been a part of, going 32 stories. So that's my favorite part of it. Now I want to find something taller to build.
Let's go. All right.